Hi, I'm Dave Zier from Zier's Prime Meats, and we all felt like here at the shop that we needed to make this video because there's a lot of information, a lot of misinformation on your turkeys this year for Thanksgiving. Lately in the news, there's been a lot of talk about Salmonella, certain strains that are antibacterial resistant, and I just want to kind of set a few things straight. First of all, assume that your turkey has Salmonella. Just assume that. And the one thing you can do to get rid of Salmonella is fully cook your turkey. The one thing you don't want to do, and people do this all the time, and the USDA even recommends you don't do this. Do not rinse your turkey in the sink. You think you're doing a good thing by getting all the bad germs out, but if those germs or the bacteria are in the turkey, every time you rinse it, it's going to splash. You may not see it, but those little droplets at room temperature, they will grow exponentially. And guess what happens? You're going to cook, or you're going to do something else in the sink, or the cutting board might be there that's washed. You've just contaminated that cutting board. And it's also proven that some of these strains are resistant to even strenuous scrubbing and bleach. So don't rinse the turkey. You put it in your oven, however you want to do it. If you fully cook the turkey, you're going to kill, that's your kill step. You're going to kill anything that's bad inside this turkey. Now, what temperature do you cook it to? The USDA recommends 165 degrees, and that's great. If you want to go a little higher, 170, go ahead and do that. One thing you want to really test it, use a thermometer. We use a digital, sort of an instant read thermometer. Place the thermometer in the thickest part of either the breast. If you hit the bone, pull it back just a little bit so you're in the flesh. And you'll see on here where the temperature goes up or down. The other one is in the thigh. You stick it in the thigh. You'll feel it hit the bone. Just pull it out a tiny bit because the probe, this actual sensor, is about 3/4 of an inch on this one in particular. Most of them, that's about the same. So cook that to about 165 internal, and you should be good to go. Thanks a lot.